Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Last class, we have discussed the classwork for chapter 1. That is the earth in the universe. Correct? And you all wrote the classwork? Okay, so today let us discuss the classwork for chapter 2. We have completed chapter 2, no? So today we will write the classwork for chapter 2. And what is chapter 2? The earth, the living planet. Earth, the living planet. And before writing the classwork, let us discuss what we have studied in this chapter. And children, you just make ready your notebook and pencil to write the classwork. Fine. So these are the topics we have studied in chapter 2. The earth as a unique planet, the earth as a living planet, the shape of the earth, about astronauts, the horizon, the coast and the sky. The earth as a unique planet. So why our earth is a unique planet? The earth is home to all living things. Many different kinds of plants and animals live here. As far we know, there is no other place in the universe where there is life. So, our earth is a unique planet. And the earth as a living planet, the earth is a living planet. All living things needs air, water and the right amount of warmth to live. We find all these things on earth. The earth gets its heat and light from the sun. A layer of air called atmosphere surrounds the earth. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water and 1/4 by land. So, you can see here the blue outer line is called atmosphere. Okay, it surrounds the earth. Now, yes, I told why our earth is called a blue planet, because 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, and if we see from outer space, it looks like blue in color. So our earth is known as blue planet. Correct? And the shape of the earth. Long ago, people were afraid to travel far. You know why? Because they feared they would fall off the edge. They were thinking that earth is flat. And about 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, set out with a fleet of ships on a long voyage from Spain. He kept sailing in one direction. After 3 years, his ships reached the same place from where they had started. So, Magellan proved that the earth is round like a ball and not flat as people earlier thought. And the astronauts further proved this. And I told you about the astronauts also. Astronauts are people who have been trained to travel to space in rockets and spaceships. When the astronauts looked at the Earth from the outer space, they found that it looked like a huge ball. And yes, I told you about Rakesh Sharma and Kalpana Chawla. So, squadron leader Rakesh Sharma, an Indian Air Force pilot, was the first Indian astronaut to go to space, and Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian born woman to travel to space. And the horizon. Looking from distance, the land and the sky seem to meet. But in reality, they do not meet. The place at which the land and the sky appear to meet is called the horizon. And every time we come closer to the horizon, it seems to move further away. This is the picture of horizon. And next, the coast. Land and the sea meet at the coast. If we stand on the coast and face the sea, it will seem as if the water and the sky are meeting at a distance. Okay, like horizon. Okay, this doesn't happen in reality. So you can see here the land and the sea meet at the coast. And next, the sky. Above the earth is the sky. It looks blue, though it really not so. It is just a vast space surrounding the earth. The sun and the stars and the moon are heavenly bodies in this space. The sun, the stars, the moons and many planets also there. These are the heavenly bodies in the space. Okay, children. So we have discussed about the chapter. Now we'll write the classwork and make a heading: Earth, the living planet. And lesson 2, Earth, the living planet. Lesson 2. Have you written? Okay. So first, make Roman number 1 new words. Okay. So some new words we have learned in this chapter. So make a heading: new words. Roman number 1 new words. First you write atmosphere. ATMOSPHERE. Write the first one, atmosphere. Okay. Second one, unique. 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 Finished? Okay, now write astronaut. Third one, astronaut. 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 Finished? Now the fourth one, horizon. HORIZON. R I Z O N, horizon. And the fifth one, coast, C O A S T, coast. Finished? Okay, the sixth one, Ferdinand Magellan. You can write this name also and you can learn the spelling. Ferdinand Magellan. So you can write Ferdinand Magellan. Okay. So finished writing the new words, children? Okay. Now, second Roman. Write second Roman, fill in the blanks. What is second Roman? Fill in the blanks. Finished writing? Okay. So what is the first one? The earth is a dash planet. The earth is a dash planet. The earth is a unique planet. The earth is a unique planet. Just write it down. The earth is a unique planet. And the second one, a layer of dash is called the atmosphere. The layer of dash is called the atmosphere. The layer of air is called the atmosphere. Just write it down. The layer of air is called the atmosphere. Okay. Finished? Shall we go to the third one? Okay. From the outer space, the earth looks like a huge dash. From the outer space, the earth looks like a huge ball. Write down, children. From outer space, the earth looks like a huge ball. From outer space, the earth looks like a huge ball. Finished? So fourth one, there is more water on the surface of the earth than dash. There is more water on the surface of the earth than land. There is more water on the surface of the earth than land. Just write it, children. There is more water on the surface of the earth, then land. Finished, children? Now we'll go to the third Roman, that is answer the following. So already I think many children have written. Already I told you what are the question and answers. I gave you many questions and answers, right? So from that, some question and answers we are going to write in our classwork, and other question and answers what I gave before, you can read that, okay, and you have to know about that. So the first question is, why do we say that the planet Earth is unique? Already all of you know the answer, I think. Okay, anyway, write the question number 1, and write down the question. Why do we say that the planet Earth is unique? And the answer is, the Earth is the only planet which has air, water, and the right amount of warmth for living beings to live on it. So we say that the planet Earth is unique. Again, just write it. The Earth is the only planet which has air, water, and the right amount of warmth for living beings to live on it. So we say that the planet Earth is unique. Finished, children? And second one, who was Ferdinand Magellan? Make question number 2, just write question number 2. Who was Ferdinand Magellan? Who was Ferdinand Magellan? And write the answer. Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor. Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor who proved that Earth is round by sailing around the world. Who proved that Earth is round by sailing around the world. Are you writing? Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor who proved that Earth is round by sailing around the world. Okay? Finished, children? Shall we go to the third one? Okay. So write the question. Question number 3. Just make it question number 3 and write the question. What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? Answer is, The earth is round in shape. Write the answer, children. The earth is round in shape. The earth is round in shape. Have you written, children? The earth is round in shape. Okay. Then go to the fourth one. What is horizon? What is horizon, children? Write the question. Make question number 4 and write what is horizon. The place at which the land and the sky appear to meet is called the horizon. Right answer. The place at which the land and the sky appear to meet is called the horizon. The place at which the land and the sky appear to meet is called the horizon. Finished, children? Fifth one. Describe the sky. Write question number 5 and write the question. Describe the sky. Write the answer now. The sky is a vast space surrounding the earth. The sky is a vast space surrounding the earth. The sky is a vast space surrounding the earth. Finished, children? Okay. So 5 question and answers are there. Then activity already I gave to you and some of you have completed your activity also. Okay. So what was the activity which I gave? Draw and color a picture of Earth as seen from space. Draw and color a picture of Earth as seen from space. So who have not completed, just complete this activity and keep it safe. All of you keep it safe. When you will come to school, just bring and show it to me. And here another activity is there for you. What would happen if the sun stopped shining one day? Write a short paragraph describing the situation. Okay, just think and write. What would happen if the sun stops shining one day? Write a short paragraph describing the situation. Okay, children. So write the classwork and activity. Just do that activity. So thank you, children.